We just learned a valuable lesson. One is it's good to have four-wheel drive. Second, there's nothing you can do about fast-moving storms. That was fast. I mean, really fast. We were over at the land, which is not too far from here, maybe a quarter mile. It's all dirt here, and it became mud within a matter of 1 minute. And we were racing back to the gate here, and we stopped here and waited for the rain to finish, and we got stuck right here. And so then we had to get a bunch of stuff here. I had to lift with a jack on the tire in order just to get something underneath to get traction. This was our first challenge. And so that leads us to our road construction project. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I hired a construction company to install a gravel road that leads to the main portion of my land. From the county road to my land is about 1,000 feet. And it only took one incident with getting my two-wheel Highlander stuck in the mud to convince me to install this road. This gravel road will be installed all the way to the entrance gate and just a little past it so that I can park my vehicle just inside the gate. As previously mentioned in my last video, I plan to get an ATV to use on the land, and the cost to install a longer gravel road at this time is not feasible. Plus, it's kind of nice to keep the land looking more natural without the gravel road inside. In the initial stage, the workers used a grater blade to tear up any mesquite tree roots so they don't grow through the gravel road. By nature, the mesquite tree has a fairly shallow root system that will grow laterally and cause issues. Also, to prevent water ponding on the road, the workers built up the dirt about 12 inches high. Then the gravel is laid on top of the dirt, and that ensures that any rainwater will run off and prevent premature erosion of the road. During the construction of the road, water is sprayed onto the gravel to aid in compacting the road so that the potholes don't form. I was really impressed with JAT Construction as they showed up on time and got the gravel road completed in 2 days. The cost for the service was $3,200 to build a 1,000 by 12 foot road and to also put in an RV pad to the back of my land. It took 17 semi-trailer loads of 1.5 inch limestone base, which is about 24 tons per truck or 408 total tons. The cost for the limestone base was $7,494. So my total cost for the road and the RV pad was $10,694. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see what I'm up to, check out my other videos. I have a lot planned for my 24 acres. And be sure to subscribe so that you can be notified when I put up new videos. I'm sure you'll find them interesting. So for now, take care, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.